Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Halara haul. I was so excited about this one. I picked out some pieces that I am super excited to share. They're great pieces for spring. It's a great mix of some trendy pieces, some good basics, and some fun basics that are just a little bit elevated. I am so happy with the stuff that I got, and I am so thankful to Halara for letting me pick them out and share them with all of you. I do have a code that will save you some money off of your purchase. I believe it is 20% off of any full priced items, so I'll go ahead and leave that up on the screen for you so you can save yourself some money. They have so many good sales going on, and a lot of this stuff is already on sale. So let's go ahead and dive in. You can see this giant pile here of all the stuff that I wanted to talk through, but let's go ahead and start with what I am wearing. So this top is an off the shoulder top. It is so soft, and this blue color is so pretty. Y'all know I love a thumb hole, and this is just perfect. It's the right amount of loose and fitted in the right areas. I don't feel like this is moving in an uncomfortable way. It's not too low on the shoulder. I feel like it's a little bit more than a boat neck. And it has built-in padding, so you don't have to worry about finding the right bra for it, which is such a win for me. I absolutely love this, and I definitely want it in some more colors too. I'm pairing it with these leggings, which are a great basic. Y'all know Halara leggings are above and beyond, and these are no exception. They have great tummy control, the right amount of compression without making you feel like you're a sausage in a casing that's too small. I love how well they breathe, and I love how well they wash and wear. I am very lazy with my laundry. I run everything through the wash and everything through the dryer, and if it doesn't make it, it doesn't stay in my closet, and all of the leggings last through everything. So super impressed by these. They do have really deep side pockets, which I appreciate, and they're not see-through. So 10 out of 10 with those. Let's move on to this active combination. These leggings are so fun. Animal print is coming back, and I am honestly so excited about it because I love a good cheetah print, and I'm so sad that it went away, but I'm so happy it's back. These are a super nice quality print. I love this like black and gray leopard. I feel like it's a little bit more subtle than the traditional colors, and I feel like these leggings are just amazing. Like I said, Halara leggings are above and beyond. These also do have deep pockets, and they are compression. These aren't as tight as the black ones that I just shared, but they are still a good amount of compression, so they're going to be perfect for working out. You're not going to need to be pulling them up or anything like that. These are a little bit more on the shorter side. They're like a 7/8. I would say they're like a 9/10 kind of length. But I really like these, and I think these are going to be a new staple for me. I paired that with this workout shirt that is so soft. This is like the most breathable, soft workout shirt I've ever felt. So the front of it is just a, breathable material. I don't even know. And then the back is open a bit, and then this top panel is all mesh. So it's super breathable. It does have a little bit of some reflective lines here. So if you were going out running at night, you have a little bit of reflective signals. I don't even know, but great for safety wise. I just feel like this is a really well structured top. It's not too cropped, it's not too long. I just really like it, and I definitely want to see what other colors they have it in. I do also want to talk about these leggings, and these are super compression. First of all, look how beautiful this color is. It's exactly eggplant purple, and it is so pretty. These are thick. They're very like Gymshark-esque, and I really like them. I do think that I probably should have gone a size up because these are just a little too tight for my liking, but the quality is amazing. They do have a little bit of a booty scrunch, so you get a nice lift, and like I said, the compression is top tier. So if you have a really high intensity workout, this could be great for that. Next up, we have these, and these are kind of like a sweatpant meets a legging. They're still very stretchy like normal leggings are, but they're a little bit thicker and a little bit warmer. They're kind of that buttery soft material without feeling too cheap, and I just love the fit of these. They're the perfect like wide straight leg combo, so they're super flattering, and they're so soft. They're not too hot, not too cold. I feel like these are just going to be a great versatile year-round wear around the house kind of pant. You could totally wear these out of the house, and I know I probably will. And I just love this blue heather. I think this is so pretty. It's almost like a denim blue, and I just really like it. So big fan of those. Halara sports bras always blow it out of the park for me, and I just really loved this color. It's kind of like a pinkish mauve. It's a little bit more my skin tone than I expected it to be, but I still really like it, and I'm definitely gonna wear it. I like the double straps, and I really like that it has built-in pads that are well, I guess they're not built in. It has removable pads, but I don't want to take them out. I love these, and I really love this material. It's super, super soft and almost a cooling material. Love, love, love. I have two different kind of sweatsuit tracksuits. The first is this maroon set. These are so thick and cozy. I wish that I had had these over Christmas because I feel like this maroon color is just so holiday season and it's so soft. So first, the sweatshirt. I got a large and I think I probably should have gotten a medium because it is already a good amount of oversized, but I'm still gonna wear it and I love a big oversized hoodie. It does have a kind of kangaroo pocket here, and then on the inside it has a zipper so you can put anything that you don't want falling out in there, and that fills pretty much the entire thing. So really, really like that. The hood is nice and big. It's not too tight around my face and I still feel like I can see, but I'm nice and cozy. So I think this is gonna be a good travel sweatsuit for me, and it's so soft. The pants are the same exact material, obviously, and these do have pockets too. They have the like slip pockets and then also a zipper pocket on this side, and then this side doesn't have that pocket. So you have the option of having some stuff hidden away and protected if you want to, and then the inside does have drawstrings too. I actually got these sweatpants in a large. I'm glad that I sized up on the sweatpants, but I probably should have sized down for the sweatshirt. So that would just be my recommendation. I also got this one and I was so excited about this. I think this is so elevated and chic. This just reminds me of a very elevated woman in a very like street style sporty look, and I just love this. First of all, it's so soft. It's way softer than I expected it to be. The material is so nice and cozy. I just want to like curl up in it. It's a great thickness where I don't feel like it's too thick and too warm. It's very, very wearable. I could probably even get away with wearing it in the summer. And I think these are, it's just so flattering. I love the length of the jacket. I feel like it is the perfect length, not too cropped, not too long. It does have pockets. It's just the like slip-in pockets on both sides. And then it is a full zip up all the way. And then the pants have a really thick waistband, which I love. I feel like that just makes it extra comfortable and also makes it a little bit more elevated looking. And then these do just have the slip-on pockets as well. I love these racing stripes down the side. They make your legs look so long and lean. And I just think this is so comfortable and flattering. So I am really, really excited about this. I'm going to be wearing it a ton. Lastly, for pants, we have these, and these are so cute. They are a kind of corduroy trouser style, and they're so soft. They are elastic up at the top, so they're very, very easy to slip on and super, super comfortable. The length on these is great, and again, they're not too wide and not too thin, so I feel like they're just very flattering. I first paired it with this top, which I really, really like, but I think I just needed to size up. I think my chest area is just a little bit too big. It was too tight for me. So I would say get your true size. I went and got a medium and I should have gotten a large. It is so nice though, and I will be ordering it in my correct size. I probably wouldn't wear it with a corduroy because it is a ribbed material, but I love this and I can't wait to have it in my right size. It does have built-in pads in a kind of shelf bra, so you can take pads out if you don't want them, but I love having the option for the off-the-shoulder top so that I don't have to worry about getting the right strapless bra. I'm just lazy like that. So this is amazing. Again, great quality material. Thickness is great. Not see-through, so you can't tell that there's a shelf bra in there. I just really, really love it. And then last but certainly not least, I have this bodysuit, and this is so cute. I almost wish it were a swimsuit because I would totally wear it as one. It is a thong bodysuit, so I would probably want it to not be that for a swimsuit, but this is so flattering. So it has these straps, and then it also has these long sleeves, and the long sleeves sit a little bit more like that on the shoulder, and I just really, really like it. I feel like it's so flattering. It's very reminiscent to me of my dance days, and I would have loved to have a leotard like this, so I'm totally loving that I can have that as an adult. And the back is open. It has two different twists on it. And then, like I said, it is a thong bodysuit that does clasp at the bottom. It also has built-in pads, so you don't have to worry about the bra situation, which I love. And the material is so soft. Very legging material, super, super breathable. And I just know I'm gonna get a ton of wear out of this. You could totally work out in it if you wanted to because of the material, but I definitely think this is gonna be a great date night top for me. Okay, so that is everything in my Halara haul. I feel like I breezed through that, but I hope that you found some pieces that you love. I have to say my top recommendations are probably this top, the bodysuit, and then that navy sweatsuit. I just think that is so cute and flattering. Everything will be linked down below with the color and sizing information, so it's super easy for you to shop. They are referral links, and I am always so appreciative if you choose to use my links or codes. It really does help me out a ton. And thank you so much to Halara for sending me these pieces and letting me pick them out. I always love working with y'all. It is such a pleasure. And thank you for coming and hanging out with me. I love having you here, and I really hope that you choose to stick around and subscribe so I can see you in the next video. If you do, I will see you then. And in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!